Today we are going to discuss about the types of propensity to save. In our previous video already we have discussed about the types of propensity to consume. So today we will discuss about the types of propensity to save. There are two types of propensity to save. One is average propensity to save, APS, and number two, marginal propensity to save, MPS. Okay. So what is APS and what is MPS? So APS is equal S by Y. So it means average propensity to save is the ratio between savings and income. Is it clear? Average propensity to save is the ratio between saving and income. For example, suppose your income is 100 and your savings is 30 rupees, then what is the APS? 30 divided by 100 is equal 0.3. Simple. Okay. Average propensity to save is the ratio between savings and income, where we have assumed that income is 100, savings is 30, so APS is equal 30 divided by 100 is equal 0.3. Now, what is MPS? MPS, see here. MPS, it means delta S divided by delta Y. What is the meaning of this symbol? Already you know, I think. Change in. So MPS is equal change in savings divided by change in income. So for example, your income increases to 150. Okay, so your income was 100. Now your income Y1, Y1 150. So that's why your savings also increases to suppose 50. Clear? Now what is the change in income? Delta Y. Delta Y is what? 150 minus 100 is equal change in income 50, and delta C, delta S, savings. S was 30, now 50, 50 minus 30, delta S is equal 20. Simple. So MPS is equal delta S divided by delta Y. 20 divided by 50, 0, 0, 0.4. Very simple. So MPS is equal 0.4. It means your marginal propensity to save is 0.4. So please you remember this MPS formula and APS formula. It's very easy to understand. APS is ratio between savings and income. MPS is the ratio between change in savings and change in income, and already I have given this example. Okay. Now you see some important points regarding average propensity to save. APS can never be 1 or more than 1. Why? APS can never be 1 or more than 1. Because your savings can never be 2 or more than national income. Your savings cannot be more than national income or equal to income. So that's why APS can never be 1 or more than income. It means your savings cannot be more than national income, or your savings may not be equal to national income. That's why APS can never be 1. Second, APS can be 0. When APS can be 0, see here, this one. So it means at the break-even point, where income is equal consumption, then savings is equal 0. That time APS 0. Simple. When your income 200, consumption is also 200, definitely S is equal 0. So APS is 0. Third, APS can be negative or less than 1. negative. When negative, see here, this one is the minus 0.2. When income is less but consumption is more, then savings is in minus. It means when income is less than consumption, then APS can be negative. APS rises with increase in income. So APS, see here, APS starts to increase. Before it was minus, then 0, then 0.06, then 0.1. APS rises with increase in income. So when income increases 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, then see minus 0.20, 0.06, 0.1. It means APS starts to increase when income increases. Then, and regarding MPS, some important point, MPS varies between 0 and 1. So a marginal propensity to save, what is the range? 0 and 1. So you can calculate by yourself also. So take it as a homework. You try to solve MPSY 0 and 1, and if you have a problem to understand, then let me know in the comment section below. But before completing this one, so quickly you see what we have learned today. So first we have learned about the APS, ratio between savings and income, MPS, ratio between change in savings and change in income. Then these are the important points. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson, and if you have any query problem, just let me know in the comment.